shall. Use to make formal suggestions or offers, mainly with I, we. To express promises, formal decisions, or obligations, mostly formal or traditional English. Affirmative, positive, form, subject, I, we, plus shall plus base verb. Examples: I shall return before noon. We shall complete the project on time. I shall help you with your homework. Keywords often used: shall, I, we, promise, surely. Negative, form, subject, I, we, plus shall not, shan't, plus base verb. Examples: I shall not, shan't, forget your birthday. We shall not, shan't, accept these conditions. I shall not, shan't, be late for the meeting. Keywords: not, never, shan't. Interrogative, questions, form, shall plus subject, I, we, plus base verb plus question mark. Examples: shall we go to the cinema tonight? Shall I open the window? Shall we start the lesson now? Short answers: yes, we shall. No, we shall not. Yes, I shall. No, I shan't. Extra tips: keywords, time indicators, now, today, tomorrow, depends on context, use for formal suggestions, offers, promises, decisions. Mainly used with I, we, in modern English, will often replaces shall for other subjects. Examples combining context plus keywords: shall we take a break now? Suggestion: I shall return before 6 p.m. Promise: we shall not give up easily. Formal decision, determination. Thanks for watching.